Welcome to geometry. Today, we are going to explore a very specific part of right triangles. We will be learning about the legs and understanding what perpendicular sides are. First, let's quickly review what a right triangle is. A right triangle is a triangle that has exactly one 90-degree angle. This angle often looks like the corner of a square or a rectangular room. Now let's focus on the sides. In a right triangle, the two sides that actually meet to form that 90-degree corner have a special name. We call them the legs. Think of them as the two straight lines that make the L shape. It is important not to confuse the legs with the third side. The legs are the two sides touching the right angle. The third side, which is opposite the right angle and does not touch the corner, is called the hypotenuse. Because the legs meet at a 90-degree angle, we say that they are perpendicular to each other. Whenever you hear the word perpendicular in geometry, just remember it means two lines meeting at a perfect right angle. In mathematics formulas, we often need to give these legs names so we can work with them. Usually, we label one leg as A and the other leg as B. It does not matter which one is which. Let's visualize this in the real world. Imagine a ladder leaning against a wall. The wall goes straight up and the ground is flat. The wall and the ground form a right angle, so they act as the legs of our triangle. Triangles can spin and rotate. Even if a triangle is turned upside down, the rule stays the same. The legs are always the two sides that touch the square corner symbol. Why do we care about identifying legs? Well, they are very useful. When calculating the area of a right triangle, the legs act as the base and the height. The area is simply 1/2 multiplied by leg 1 multiplied by leg 2. Let's summarize what we learned. A right triangle has one 90-degree angle. The two sides touching that angle are called legs. These legs are perpendicular to each other. And finally, the long side opposite the corner is the hypotenuse.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.